papasok ang third set. Ang usapan ho rito, battle for third. Lamang ang PLDT Home Telpad dahil sila nanalo nung unang magtagpo ang dalawang to. Tingnan natin kung ma-i-extend ng Meralco ang series to o magkaroon ng chance maging third. Kargado. Yung Murata talaga nung araw pa malakas talaga papalo.
Lakas talaga ng palo.
Hinabol ni Murata. Naging set. Nicely done. But manageable. Benting returns the favor. Misao sets up Cotruwang.
Dug up well by Saltones.
Benting, sabi niya, ako naman.
Nandun din si Mercado.
Ala, bukas na naman ito. Quick, hindi mako ni Charo.
Yung ganda naman na pagkakaset na yun. And Morada answering to that back set of Misao. Taking that point.
Regardless of nationality, when it's something to laugh about, something to smile about. And you see the smile on Misao's... Kita mo yung expression of Misao.
At pati yung mga employees ng Meralco, tuwag-tuwa rin. May cheer sila, ha? Mukhang practice pa.
Ayun, tapos pinatawag lahat yung mga kakalat-kalat doon sa taas. Hoy, tabi-tabi tayo. Hello. Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
Good job there, Mercado. Is able to send it across and ang nagulat din ng BLDT. Look at that.
In the meantime, ayun, yung nakita-kita nyo sa likod, yung maingay na yun, may banner na yun. Kukunan natin uli mamaya yan kasi sila yung maingay rito eh. Sila yung masaya eh.
Masaya talaga. Ang dami ng errors ng PLDT.
Sobra.
Ang dami. Ayan na. Kaya tuwang-tuwa.
Yun, walang pakialam. Kung naka-office wear siya, may kurbata pa siya, wala siyang pakialam.
Walang pakialaman. Ganun talaga.
Benting inside.
Angela
and it's the first point of PLDT Home Telpad.
That's right. And with the help of the net, gets it.
Alam mo, yung grupong yun, pagkatapos nyo rito, punta kayong Shakey's. Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Yan ang tama.
Yan, ang lapit, Shakey's Green Hills.
That's
Maranyo for you. Don't give Abby a reason to rev up the crowd. She will just get to play better.
That is so true. Misao now with 19 excellent sets. Ruby De Leon, 39.
Wow. Kasi marami silang puntos. Mahaba rin yung first set kasi, di ba? Kaya ang daming puntos, di ba? 36-34 nga isa. And then Abby wastes her serve. And she is the first to acknowledge pag masama, no? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Village. Tsaka tuturo niya yung sarili niya. Mali ako eh.
My bad,
my bad. Here's Charo Soriano, her version of the serve. Ooh, just above the net. Cotruwang. Out.
Cotruwang had the right thing in mind, pero wide. Wide yung pagkakalagay ng bola.
Siguro by a foot siguro. 4-3. And 3 serving against 4.
Magulang maglaro si Cotruwang.
Diba? Tama yung tama yung obserbasyon na yan. May gulang eh, no? May smarts eh. Hello, kung kayo magkagulo kayo dyan. Tinaas, Benting, hahabulin, huli. Ando si Charo. May ganun din tira pala si Charo, no?
Nicely done.
May tirang puto rin pala si Charong. Gotcha. Totoo ba to? Hindi na nagbago yung playing weight ni Charo, no? From college, ano? May taong mabilis yung metabolism talaga eh.
Oo. Yan yung mga kinaiinisan ko actually.
Okay. Ayun na naman yung tira.
Inside! That's the way. That's the way to go. Pag magbibigay ka free ball, yan ang pagbigay ng free ball.
Butasan mo.
Hanapin mo naman, pahirapan. Huwag lang free. Libre-libre naman na makakapag-run sila ng play.
Yung lulutang-lutang na madaling paluin o madaling kunin. Mikasa, ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's Village. Misao.
Morada, even with the miss it, ang lakas pa rin.
Parang kuko yung tumama eh, no? Ayan, no?
Lakas pa rin eh.
You and I know, at least sa basketball, pag tumama sa labong kay keeper at kay Terdy, masakit yun eh. No? Pero ito, medyo, yung volleyball, kaya pa yan eh. Nice set. Soltones. Roses. Good wind up. Misao, sabi niya, alanganin to, suntukin ko na lang.
Save. But a chance for Meralco.
Nice set. Ano? Hala? In every which way pinapalo ito.
Matira matibay as Sue Roses goes for a cross-court hit. Finally.
I am going to suspect that ang bahay ni Sue Roses maayos. I'm going to suspect and speculate. Kasi pag nagkakagulo, gusto niya matapos ka agad eh.
Linisin.
Linisin agad. Lakas. Hindi.
Trying to ask for a check, no go.
Hindi.
Maureen pleading her case.
Si Maureen parang,
please,
sige, no.
meron eh.
Sige, no. May kick, ano? Jen. Pero sayang, out of reach. And 8-5 as PLDT Hometel
has adjusted to PLDT's aggressiveness. Maranya was also consistent with inspiring her teammates. Sabi niya, kapit lang tayo guys. Coach Roger Gorayev is disappointed with the shift of momentum during the last set. He pointed out their 16-11 lead that ended to a loss. Sabi niya, wag kumpiyansa hanggang sa umabot sa 25 ang puntos. They should keep their head in the game and don't lose focus. 7 Mosey.
It's a valuable insight because they were ahead in that second set. In the meantime, there's a traffic jam at the net at talo sa joust ang Meralco. Pagka net battles, ano, medyo hirap ang Meralco.
Minsan kasi yan, it boils down to experience. Katulad doon, si Suhang nandun.
Mahirap kalaban yung ganun. Huwag kakaligtaan ha, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger, katulang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Is it in the corner? Yes, it is.
Ito na naman, Morada again. This time, yun nga, nahanap ang corner dun sa zone 1 ng PLDT. Ito na yung practice cheer ng
Meralco. Glad you're with us with Mosi Ravena and Ira Pablo, and that is right there where they want it. And Roger Gorayev, boy, I'm gonna count his white hairs as it grows and increases with every passing mistake.
Morada.
Buti na lang si Brian Esquivel, bata pa, hindi masyadong maraming puting buhok sa kanya.
Saan papunta yun?
Kuldud din yan eh. Huwag kakaligtaan ng Shakey's League, Shakey's V-League rather, is powered by Motolite Battery, pang matagalan. In the meantime, Cotrowang says, you don't want it, I got it. Inabot. Pang! Ay, well kept yung play.
Ganda ng koneksyon.
Akala ng Meralco si Soltones ang papalo.
Yan ang dapat gawin ni Ruby kasi nababasa na rin na yung kombinasyon always ends up with a Soltones or with Sue Roses. So, kailangan ibigay niya rin sa iba.
Ganda ng balasa niya.
Make Devanadera a threat also.
Okay, that's a great point. Missing badly. Medyo nanggigigil ang Meralco. We went 3 conferences this year. We had the collegiate, the open, and now the reinforced one-handed pickup by Gretzel Soltones, who's doing a little of everything here today, Mosey.
It's true.
Misao is caught.
Still playable though.
It still is alive, but that's the 4th touch.
That's right. Tumama na kasi sa umpisa pa lang, 2 touches na kagad.
Taas ng porsyento or ng percentage ni Soltones at Ruby de Leon. Pag binibigyan niya yung Soltones, most of the time, connect silang dalawa. Sue Roses has the same thing. In the meantime, Misao hooks it over. Nice fake on the set. Soltones with some power.
And Misao on the second ball. Yan ang kailangan gawin ni Misao. Yung mga change nila, yung mga adjustments na kailangan nang gawin.
I
Third set.
agree. Surprise the other side.
Uh-huh.
Estampa is going to see action for the first time. This is Royce Estampa. Shakey's Drill League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. Yan po ang paboritong baterya ni Noel Zarate at saka ni Noringo. Sisikat yan dalawang yan.
Huh?
Benting.
Oh, and that's a block point for Abby Maraño.
Eto na, Meralco, kakatok-katok. Tumayo na si Roger Gorayev. Ayaw niya kasing nasasayang yung lead eh. Alam mo naman yung game na to, ang bilis mawala ng lamang eh.
Kaya nga siya nagagalit, di ba?
Eh. De Venadera got it through, not cleanly, but through. Yeah, I agree with Roger. Sinasabi niya sinusuntok daw yung bola, hindi connect na, hindi talaga
Solid
spike.
hit.
Nicely done. Misao is going to work here.
Once again, going for the dump ball. Yan naman na strike while Dyer ni Sat. Sige lang.
Ako tingin ko to si Misao converted.
Pwede.
Converted na.
Kasi
Kasi
hindi, spiking setter siya eh.
Ah.
So pwede ngang naging spiker din siya dati.
Hala. Nakatulog sa pansitan ng PLDT home telpad. Somebody asked me, why do you say that? I don't know. There's that expression di ba?
Nakatulog sa pansitan.
Tutulog yan, nahanap mo. Hala. Yung parang sabi ng matatanda, nakatulog sa pansitan.
Kasi di ba pag busog ka, naato ka. So pag kinain mo na lahat ng pansit,
yung Filipino style pa, isasabay ang bihon at kanin.
Diba?
Naku, kapaka carbo loading.
Carbo loading.
15-11. Pag kayo ni Mosi may nagsabi sa akin, para tayo nasa bahay lang. Ganun ho ang objective namin na mag-enjoy kayo. Regalo, inabot.
Oh, Taganas again inside for Coach Brian. Single block by Abby.
Alis kayo dyan. Papaluin natin si Angie. Taganas. Hindi lang naitaas. Walang tao. Huwag niyong pababayaan yan. Lamang kayo ng 5.
Nangyayari kasi sa kanila na
nakakatulog sa pansitan.
Sa mamian.
Load up. Ang lively rin ng game. Yung both sides, hindi mo sasabihin battle for third. Hello, Ruby.
Ayan na naman si Ruby. Nakakauntugan ang depensa ng Meralco pag ginagawa ni Ruby yan.
You know, you took the word right out of my lips when I said nagkakauntugan. I wanted to say the same thing, but you beat me to it again and it's so perfect because talagang nagkabuhol-buhol sila ron eh.
Kaya si Misao bumabawi na rin eh. Di ba? Sabi niya, hindi naman pwedeng ikaw lang. Gusto ko rin mag-untugan dyan.
Mag-untugan kayo dyan. Kotruwang, may laman. Benting, gallops. Tinaas ni Reyes. Misao returns it to Kotruwang.
Solton is really doing a great job on defense. Angela Benting sends it wide.
And it becomes 17-12. Alam mo, sabi ni Gretchen Soltones, marunong ho ako niyang power. Meron din ho ako niyan. Para sila mga superhero sa Cobigs nag-aaway.
Ganda ng depensa niya. Dami ng dig. So, Angela Benting, that's what you want from a veteran. Patapos magkaroon na error, bawi ka agad on the next point. At credit also Ruby De Leon, pinabawi naman siya. Binigyan siya ng chance to do that. Well, Meralco now having 6 attack points, PLDT having 11.
Oh boy, there lies the difference. And the score. Tinaas. Huli. At out. 13-18. Meralco still not get out of this. Just need to hold on to their serve actually.
Well, Reyes having 4 receives already. Si Pantone having 10.
Oh.
Si Reyes, 8 digs. Si Pantone, 15.
Wow. Roses, yes, perfect. Through the hole.
Yan na naman yung down the line ni Roses. Very risky pero so effective. On a good day,
Unstoppable.
Dami niyang nasa-score dyan sa down the line eh.
Tusok eh. Mananahi siguro ito dati. Kasi lahat
Sa
ng
straight.
lahat ng butas ng karayom lusot eh. Here's Soriano. Oh, out of reach. One more for Charo.
Oh, and Benting getting that last point.
In the meantime, the attack muffled by the defense. Benting. Touch ball. Check ball. Check ball. 21 si Benting ang may score, ha?
Oh, and
Ito yung X-factor mo.
right. Sa kabila, Morada din. Ang ganda rin ang nilalaro.
Pero mula nung pumasok si Angie, good things have happened for PLDT home tailed pad. The Turbo Boosters are ahead, 21-13. Long. Shakey's, if it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ruby De Leon gives the signal. I have a sneaky idea where she's going. Yep, there she goes. Huli.
Nahuli. Tama. And,
That's why I knew I sent you information Nabasa rin ng Meralco
At si Estampa, every time nilalagay siya ni Coach Brian sa harap, ang laki ng diferensya.
Matangkad
She
na.
really is so good at the net.
And you know, because you know that the Venadera is not gonna go open. So what's the next best thing? You've got Rosas in front. 22-15, however. Benting to serve. Nice and easy. Misao. The dink by Mercado, who's been quite silent of late. Oh, tusok yan. Soltones, a little of everything.
That's right. Soltones, open hit, easy taking.
Back row, marami siyang ginagawa itong
Dami.
araw na to.
Yung digs, dami na ring digs
yung
ni
depensa niya.
Soltones.
Benting, same easy serve. Misao. Blocked but out.
Morada using the blockers of PLDT.
(23-16) as 16 rather will be serving against 23. Benting kneels down. De Venadera sticks it to them. Nice block, but still playable. Misao lifts it up. Nice cross court, but muffled. That is gone.
Once again, Estampa with a single block gets that point. Ganda ng timing nitong bata And bukod sa matangkad pa siya, look at that. Turns that quick hit.
Her profile on Facebook says blocker.
Talaga naman.
23-17. I have no idea. I'm just guessing, but and white. Suddenly, it's set point. Ganun lang. And suddenly, the enthusiastic Meralco crowd just quieted down for a while. Lifted up. Soltones. Misao.
Oh, and Mercado off the block.
Yun naman hindi na maaabot na yung Pantone. Malayo na yun.
Oo. Napakagaling na niyan. Masyado nang malayo.
Tsaka ang gusto ko kay Pantone, marunong na biskat na hindi siya masasaktan.
Yeah, may yan. There is really parang practice on how you fall down.
Parang judo
Yung
yan
yes. Right. Oh, Mercado once again.
Lamang ang PLDT home tailed pad. Tabla tayo sa set count. Tingnan natin kung masasara na yung pintura ito.
Oh. Error on that attack.
Nababasa na si De Venadera. 24-20. Estampa has been a bit of a lucky charm here. Just like Taganas. Long, tapos. Tapos. Yun lang ang masakit doon. But give her credit for trying to keep the flame alive.